Hi guys, it's Cherael again, and today we are going to be doing a nail fill and redesign, so stay tuned. So I've had these nails on for 3 weeks. I'll link it in the cards if you want to take a look at the design. It was a fall inspired nail design. So I begin by filing down the nail in preparation for a new design. Okay, now for the ring finger, in order to take off the caviar beads, I soak my nail in a nail polish remover with foil for 5 minutes, just to loosen the hole, and then I file off as well. When I was finished, I pushed back my cuticles in preparation for my new set. It may look like I'm being rough, but this video is sped up, so that's why. Then, using my e-file, I just clean around the cuticle area. I also cut my cuticles off, but I did that off camera. So the products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear, French Moava Dipping Powder, Disco Party Dip Powder, and also Black Acrylic from the Mia Secret Fruity Collection. So now I apply bond to the natural nail to dehydrate the nail, and then I wait 30 seconds. And then I applied a thin layer of base. Then I dip it into the clear dip powder. So if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve complex but easy dip powder designs. If you're a first timer to my channel, check out what I have done, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. So onto the pinky finger, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I sprinkle the French Moava dipping powder onto the nail. Then I repeat for another layer. But why do I keep missing the whole nail though? Come on, Cherael. Okay, much better. Jeez. Now onto the middle finger, I apply base. And then I sprinkle the Disco Party dipping powder onto the nail. This powder is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just love it. What I should have done is filed off the color completely, especially on the sides, because I noticed after I was finished that you could still see the color on the sides. So I had to go back in and apply acrylic there after filing, because when you file, it comes off. But it was fixed and it looked nice. It looked very good. It didn't look like it was dip, fill and redesign. It looked like I did it from scratch. So onto the thumb, I just did a full black nail. Working with black is just wow. I can't. I have a love-hate relationship with black acrylic. I did 2 layers of this, but I just showed one. So onto the index, I did a color block on this nail. I'm not gonna lie, that glitter goes everywhere. So be careful when doing it. The glitter has no respect for other colors at all. But beside that, it looked so good. Yeah, you see me trembling. I was just trying to get a very crisp line. That's why I was kind of trembling here. Whatever, anything to get perfect nails, right? So then I repeat the same process again, just to get full coverage, and then I did the same design on the ring finger. I should have dusted off the glitter before I applied it into the black. That was my mistake. My bad. So this is after encapsulating the nails. I did it off camera. And now I'm applying activator to the nails, and I wait a few minutes and then I began filing and shaping. Now this is after filing and buffing, and now I apply more activator. Now it's top coat time. So do you see how the glitter is on the black, especially on the ring finger? Do you see it? That was so annoying. Glitter has no respect. I have to be more careful with these dip glitters. So this is the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video. See you in my next one. Bye guys.